First time, we got a train coming. Quick, test run it. Test run. Are you test running it? No, it will be pretty good down there. Yeah, I should think so too. Yeah. We'll move some rocks away so we can see train come. Guys, don't look back, but I can hear a rumble. What do you mean you can hear a rumble? I can hear it too. Uh-oh, and I know what that means. Train's coming fast. Grandma, get down, get the shoulder. Okay, quick, get down, get down, get down. Okay, I don't know about you, but I think that failed a bit. Well, the reason why I did that is because we forgot to put down the camera properly. Yeah, properly. Alright, hope you enjoy that short film, which is kind of a bit of a fail. Now, I would like to do something before I sign off to see what was in there. See it? See it. I saw it. Alright, here are the fidget spinners that were in this little short. See them? Pretty cool. I think so. Now, here is, if you've seen this one from my last video that I did like about a month ago or something, if I can remember. Excuse me, buddy. I got something to do, so see, buddy. Say hello, buddy. Say hello. It's so cute. He's trying to bite my pants off. Buddy, stop it. Okay, as I was, okay, so this is buddy's trying to have fun. Look, not right now, buddy. I'm in the middle of doing something. See the train here? You've seen this one from my many videos. Yeah, so you can see it. Oh, I'm kind of distracting me, but she is right, because someone might trip over it, so this. So, thanks for watching this short film, filmed by Alex320TGV. Bye, see you in the next one, which hopes not fail.